Oh. I have. Really?
Here, I'll take this piece. I don't, not that I don't bring it well.
Trust me, it's been through enough heat. That's right now. And you'll give you the eyes.
I don't want the eyes.
My sister.
No, I don't.
You want the head? Make head cheese later?
No.
She likes tongue. Ooh.
Keep it up, Peter.
Yeah, they're working on it. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Great.
He always shot him. Oh, no.
Delicious. Delicious.
I like Ludi. Ludi says take more.
Yeah, right,
Ludi,
right, right.
Ludi.
My mother used to say, that's your last name? I don't know, but it sounds great.
That's
That'd be
the
great.
coolest thing. It should be somewhere in that disc, because I know that disc. Whatever pipe.
I always said, don't mention famous people in 1927. I said, don't forget to mention. Hi.
Yeah, I guess. Well, I for many years.
I think so, Joe.
This is why you pay for
Still working. I didn't crack it, I guess.
Yeah, I didn't break it.
Yeah.
Making it look good.
Nobody was ready to leave, and immediately.
The pig?
I did.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday, Stanley.
This is
The whole idea. See, we did this for our kids. No, I mentioned this. That was
And they've all got it the past 12 years. These guys are planning on
But then I'm getting so big. My wife and you got no concept of interest. It's just money.
Can I talk to him?
Sure.
It's a very nice party and a beautiful day.
Hundreds of diplomas. You can't read them.
I see.
Yeah. You know, okay.
Give him a prescription.
She had 2 dozen.
Subscription. A prescription.
Hello. Bye.
Hello, Blue Eyes, how are you?
That's nice. Yeah, nice.
That's the nicest compliment you could ever give me.
I like it.
Hi, sis.
Hey, Ruth.
You caught me while I was eating again. What's going on?
I gave you the...
Did, huh?
Yeah.
Loser.
That was not it.
Wait.
What is that? Love.
Loser.
Love.
Get a picture of my friend over there.
I did.
That's that's typical.
That's the part why I'm not taking it.
Did you ever see a baseball player out there every time? He's
Got that. Well, that was good, right?
Gord. Hi, Constance.
Hey, Rudy.
What's going on? You having fun yet?
Oh, yeah.
Been busting your ass all day making food? How do you feel now? Huh?
Yeah, running around.
Yeah? So everything's good?
Huh?
Can you tell us a little bit about the skit that you're going to put on in a couple minutes?
Well, it's going to be Stanley, This Is Your Life.
Okay.
Patty is now recruiting everyone to do that. And my brother-in-law, Rudy, will not be part of it because he refuses.
That's right. You know what? But do you still love your brother-in-law?
Oh, yes.
Is he the best brother-in-law you could ever have?
Rudy's the best.
All right, we're going to end it on that.